I will be showing you the basics of how to use Google SketchUp. So, normally when you load onto Google SketchUp, a screen which has no folders, create new and open a device. You also have your feet and inches, your fractional, so your inches, decimal, your inches, your decimal and your feet, your decimal, your millimeters, decimal centimeters, and decimal meters. You can pick any of these, but I'm going to go in millimeters for an example. So this is the normal screen. You have your axis. This is your axis. Your X and your Y's. This tool here is orbit, or O, on the keyboard. It's to spin around. Spacebar is to get off it. So if you click on this guy and you click your backspace button, it removes him. So let's go through the tools. You have your eraser, which is E bind E, which you click on E on your keyboard, click space to remove it. You have your line, so you can draw stuff with that, like from A to B, see on that line. Then you have your rectangle, which is R. You have your move tool, your push pull, so extruding pretty much. Your rotate, if you want to rotate something. Your scale, if you want to scale something bigger, smaller, quarter scale, half scale, or 1:1. More if you want, 04 bit. You have your painting tools. You click on paint, it brings up tools here. These are your materials. If you click on this one, it should give you a range of different materials to browse through. Going through wood, window coverings, water, tiles, like landscaping, 3D printing, gives you all the tools. And you have materials here, which gives you your materials on the 3D warehouse for different, like as an example, if I was saying, I wanted a watch to be made out of silver to this measurement, type in silver and you get your engravings or your certain colour fonts on there. Then you have this side. After this side, you have your pan, so your side to side. You have your tape measure. This tape measure will be shown in your bottom right hand corner, the length. You see that's moving about 4,000. You move it about and it shows you millimeters. Then you have a follow me tool, so you can drag. It shows all your other tools you have on here. Let's get into telling you to start now. So for the first thing we're going to do, we're going to take a rectangle. We're just going to build a square. So we can drag this to be whatever, but we're going to zoom in with your mouse. We're going to build a square. You just click OK, whatever size you want. There's your square. You grab your push and pull tool and you drag that up to whatever measurement you want in the bottom corner, let's say 100. So whilst holding your left click, you type in 100 on your keys and you click enter. That gives you 100. Set to your measurement. Let's say I wanted this now to be 35. I do the exact same. Enter. There's your cube. Spacebar to remove off it. Then I'm going to go across to offset. You click on offset and this should give you this red line. Wherever it lights up with these dots, show you the face of whatever you're working on. So let's go here and I'm going to pull it to probably 10. There's 10. That gives me a full on 10mm lipping around the edge of where this is basically an offset. I'm going to go back to my orbit tool. I am going to reduce my cube to shorter, so I'm doing the push and pull. And we're going to do it to about 175 millimeters. From there, you can use your orbit tool, then you swap to push and pull. You click on the face you want, and you just pull it back. You see it says on face, then you let go, and that cuts it through all the way. Click spacebar off again, and you've just made a square with a hole through it. Congratulations. No, but this would work normally in situations if you're doing furniture, or you wanted to do legs like this, for an example, or fireplaces, or television stands and stuff. The next thing we do is I'm going to do that and right click. This should say make component. We're going to make a component, call it component 1. You can click always face camera. Okay, that gives you this component, and it gives it you on. So it gives it you on the direction. Then you're going to click on your component and drag it to wherever you want it. I'm going to drag it over here. There you go, and spacebar to get off it. And wherever I face, that will now face the camera. Next, I'll be showing you. So we're going to click on circle. Click on this, it should snap. And we pull out from here to, let's go 100 on here. So what people want to know is, how do you do like the face things? Like, how do you make a cone from that? So you drag up, you get your line tool, and you drag up to whatever you go. Let's go 200 from up here. And then you're going to drag where that dotted line shows you along the white. You're going to drag from there. That's made that line. And then you're going to drag from there back to there. That makes a face. From there, I'm going to swap my position, my view. I'm going to go down, I'm going to click the follow me tool, and you're going to click this, and it should give you a red thing to go round the edge with. You see, that red thing goes round, that shows you your cone. But you get to your end from point, and you click OK, and you click off it. And there you go, you've got a cone. From there, you go right click it again, make a component, and enter. There's another component. We're going to drag that off to the side. From here, we want to do, let's say we want to give a chamfered edge to a board or something. Chamfered edge, let's go to a circle. You do your, whatever you do for your circle. Make your circle, extrude it to your height you want it, and you're like, oh, this edge doesn't fit me. So from there, you go to your tool, you find the center, which should snap, or you click escape, and you go to your offset. Oh, you go to your offset tool, and you click on that edge, and that should give you your offset. I'm going to say I like this one, and I'm going to extrude up. From there, I'm going to add a chamfer down here, lock across from here, and make a face. And from there again, you click the follow me tool, and from there, sorry, I gotta make this from there you drag down, make sure it's an actual face, it's separated from the piece, like I had an issue with there. Once you got that separated piece, you can drag it all the way around. That red line shows you your chamfer. Get to here, click OK, click off it, space. There you go, you got chamfer. This could be used for making headphones or making phone stands or certain things you want it to be made. Again, right click, make it a component, enter. But these are the main stuff, really. Main tools you would use. thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, an up-to-date tutorial on SketchUp.